We dey live from Lagos here na Apapa. The Apapa way they here, Apapa Wharf. And there we from bring on a live coverage of the arrival of the British warship where arrived Nigeria over the weekend. This now the warship, he entered Nigeria over the weekend. And today, someone touch this area, see what the warship look like. And I am be waiting with the face here, so we don't see Oyibo them where they inside that we carry, we wear British military uniform them, their navy uniform them, and they even carry their rifles on topper. And now we will go march enter inside the ship. If you look where you see gun everywhere on topper. See that one, one of the guns, so well positioned. I say he carry enough assault rifles inside. Others one say they watch inside moving and then we will see here. So when we enter inside the ship, then gonna brief us fully. Waiting the ship can Niger can do. But for now, we dey here live to give them a clip. We're gonna see with our eyes. Waiting it be like to enter British warship. Live from Apapa here in Lagos. This one Nigerian Navy there. The right arm Trent, they call it HMS Trent. HMS Trent P224. This ship, I hear say, don't they travel for about 6 months now. They go different locations. But the Kokona be say the ship just arrived Nigeria and he get mission for the Gulf of Guinea. So he go visit about 5 countries where include Nigeria, Ghana, Senegal, Cape Verde, Gambia. These are some of the countries where the ship go visit. Now I go check on a walk into the warship. For people who never see warship, or who never enter inside warship or never see before, I'm gonna follow me, they see. So there will they go in now. So I'm gonna follow me as I take walk into the British HMS warship. Me, I don't jump enter the British warship. When I follow me, we'll go take small walk inside. I'll show you how what it be like. I agree to now. I agree to now. Hey. I don't know whether you put the air pigeon, so we'll speak pigeon, give them too. No, you know, a pigeon would do so. It be like they want to address us, maybe press first before they're gonna carry us, take a walk into the ship. It's now one section of the ship. Now on top British warship, HMS Trent, now he would do so. This one I see so we're in front of me, so now gone with this compartment, so they cover them with that cloth. And that one of them there the other side. And that one of the ship of the guns now in there here. So now only gun I go they call them because I don't know the special name where they go they call them, then cover them. So and the ship they were protected. Today we are here we say about 17 crew members will be British Marine them and then follow this particular warship enter Nigeria. See one of them they're carrying assault rifles. story where British government release, we say this ship enter Nigeria to come follow, do small patrol with Nigerian Navy, and then also follow teach Nigerian Navy some new techniques for how to patrol, how to fight piracy, people where they use water, they carry drugs and terrorism on top water. A part of the mission of this ship into Nigeria. Sorry people boku for here, so we follow come to see what we too can see. Make una stick with us. We go later carry on and enter every part of the ship. So, but for now, they won't brief us on what will be their mission and how you go take carbon. They call this one HMS. They call it HMS Trent, British warship. I say this is not the first time in 3 years where any royal warship they enter Nigeria. This one come to do collabo with countries under the Gulf of Guinea. Some of the countries where they inside Gulf of Guinea include Nigeria, Ghana, Cape Verde, Gambia, Senegal, and some of the countries where this particular ship will enter, do small patrol with the Navy divisions inside these countries, and then later they also follow teach them some things they need to know about how to patrol on top water, how to fight terrorism, and how to fight people where they use water, they carry drugs, and to fight piracy also. Here in Apapa Wharf for Lagos, and from there they bring on this live report. In a little while we'll go enter inside the inner parts of this ship. Maybe we'll go see bomb inside though, or if you see maybe sniper, all those things where they see for movie. Get ready if you follow, see them live and direct here from Lagos, Nigeria. Now some of their personnel be this one, so they ride for their body. Royal Navy. Even though Igbo Navy follow them, so make I sure no Igbo Navy, so we also follow them come. This is now the name of this particular British warship, HMS Trent. For Tori, where I don't get now about 17 crew members, British Marine, then I then follow them come on this mission to Nigeria. Like I've been on telling her before, in a little while, we're going now enter deep inside the compartments where they inside the ship. I be done showing her some guns when I don't see before. More guns still there grand. the Oyibo then wait they here, the Navy people wait they here, so go fully brief us. Waiting be their mission for Nigeria. See the kind of weather we carry so. So for the next 1 hour, we'll go down on top the ship, and I never know whether they're going to carry us move around yet. We'll go down on top the ship for at least 1 more hour to brief on waiting, make them carry the ship enter Nigeria. Then give full brief of waiting, make the ship enter Nigeria. Whether would they go follow them, go fight piracy this afternoon, I never know. But for now, I will take a little break. I will come back later when we don't begin to enter the deep part of the ship. So nothing I never see on top of the ship. Remember, I see motor inside. I even see other small boats where they by the side where they hang. So I don't see guns everywhere. I don't see cameras everywhere. And the British personnel, where full and come, all of them they here. So I'll take a break now to come back later to give on more details, to show now more videos of what's in the happen for here. Okay, maybe I'm not gonna cut off. Make I just go live with them as they tell us why they come here. They won't begin brief the press fully why they come on this mission. Some of the British personnel be that.
Look at your camera. It's down already. Ah.